Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Keigo Moriyama Photography. And as I have already announced before, today we are going to build this type of camera. Why I decided to do this kind of tutorial? Honestly, I was always interested in trying to make as much as possible my own camera or modify an existing one to try to make it better. But when I started looking for information about how to make this, unfortunately, was practically really hard to find something. And of course there was lots of pictures of cameras already done, but when you're going to ask to the person that made it, how did you do that? There was only two type of answers. The first is I bought it already done and the price was crazy. And another one is because I'm doing that, I will never tell you how to do that, because if you want, pay me and I will do for you. So as you know, I don't like this kind of idea, and I always try in my channel to share as much as possible the information regarding the photography itself. So I decided to build step by step this kind of modification with you. Of course it's not easy, and it's even not difficult honestly, but at least takes a little bit of time. So I will probably split these videos in different episodes in order to let you check it out and step by step see how you can modify your camera and avoid that you have to watch a super long video. So when I did my first modification, I used the Instax Mini Model 7. Honestly, this is one of the recommended one, because due to the shape of the camera, let me put in focus. Okay, as you can see, I have my camera like this. Okay, I have this flange here, the white one, that allow me to easily install the adapter for this type of lens that is an M42. I have other models with me and I will show you what is the main difference. Okay, so I have a Keigo Instax Mini 25 and I have a Keigo, here no idea which model is this one, but here is written Pokepi Takara. So what is the main difference of the two and which one we are going to use? If we turn on, practically this model, the Mini 25, has this can I say ring? It's moving, and it means that when I have to replace with the adapter and a new lens, I have to attach the adapter on the first ring here, that is the one of the body of the camera, and unfortunately it is a little bit too wide, so I have to think about a way to also cover any kind of light leaks. On the other hand, here with this model, I will try to figure out which of the model is this one exactly. I have the flange here that coming out, and only the gray part is moving. So the diameter of this part is perfect to install the adapter. And what kind of adapter? Wow, it's super noisy. What kind of adapter are we going to use? For this camera, I use a Nikon to M42 adapter, but I have here is exactly the same, an M42 EOS adapter. They should not change at all. We will we will check through the making of this camera itself. Also, as a tube in order to focus, so the focus ring, I have with me two of them. I have a 35mm to 90mm by Pixco, and I have 25mm to 55mm, always by Pixco. And I'm going to use Mamiya 6 lens, this one. That is Seikosha MX, is an Olympus Zuiko, 7.5 centimeter, and f is 3.5. I found this one on second hand shop, and we are going to remove from the camera, trying to avoid to break the camera, and then we are going to install on our Instax, and keep going to taking the pictures with this lens. So moving forward, let's go to start opening the camera itself and removing the first moving part, the lens itself, and then we are going to apply to install the adapter and moving forward with our installation. So let's go.